Welcome back with another After Effects tutorial. Today we are going to create a looping burger animation in After Effects. Let's get started. First, create a new composition resolution 1080 by 1080 24 fps and hit OK. Now we go to Illustrator and import the burger illustration in After Effects. Here we use the Overlord plugin to import our footage into the After Effects composition. Now select all the layers in the Illustrator and push the button on the Overlord plugin. It will import all the layers in After Effects. Now we will parent the mouth layer. Pick VIP tool and parent it with upper bun and select the rest of the layer parent with lower bun layer. Now you can easily move it. Hit S to scale the layer a little bit. Now select the mouth layer and open it. Here the layer has two groups. Now open the group second and click on the transform group. Unlink the scale property, click on the scale stopwatch icon and make a keyframe. Now go to 8 frames forward and change the value to Y150. Now go to the 1 second mark and change it back to 100. Now open the group 1 of the eyes and transform option. Now unlink the scale properties, click on the scale's stopwatch icon, and make a keyframe. Now go to 8 frames forward and change value up to Y value 150. Now go to 1 second mark and change it back to 100. Check the preview. Now select all the layers, press P for position and click on the stopwatch and apply the keyframe. Now go to 8 frames forward. Change the position upward of the layers. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Now go to the 1 second mark and copy the first keyframe on where the current time indicator is. For the other layers, I am fast forwarding this step, then you don't have to wait. Check the preview. Now press R for rotation and click on the stopwatch to apply keyframes. Now go to 8 frames forward and change the rotation a little bit according to your need. Now go to the 1 second mark and copy the first keyframe on where the current time indicator is. For the other layers, I am fast forwarding this step, then you don't have to wait. Bring the cursor to the beginning of the timeline and check the preview. Now select all the rotation keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Now select all the layers and press P for position reveal keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Now check the preview. Select the shape layer to click the ellipse tool and create a shape, and change the color. Drag the shape downward, rename it shadow, and adjust it. Now search for the fast blur effect and hit enter. Change blurriness amount a little bit. Press S for scale and apply the keyframe. Now go to 8 frames forward to change the scale little bit. When the burger goes up, the shadow will be small. Now go to the 1 second mark and Ctrl+C to copy the keyframe and paste it. Now select the keyframe and press F9 to ease them. Now select all the layers and right-click to pre-compose it and name it Looping Burger Animation. Hit OK. Now right-click to make a new solid for the background and select the color according to your own choice. Drag the pre-comp to the right to make a space. Now go to the project panel and drag the mustard comp into the timeline. Adjust it along the burger. Now select the shape layer and make an ellipse and drag it downside. Rename the layer Bottle Shadow. And adjust it under the bottle. Now select the layer, search for the fast blur and apply the effect on it. Change blurriness amount a little bit. Now select the mustard comp and search for CC, bend it and apply it. Go to the Effect Control panel and click on the CC Bend stopwatch icon and apply keyframe. Change the value to -12 and go to the 1 second mark and change it to 12. Now check the preview. Now select the shadow layer, press P for position and apply the keyframe. Now go to 1 second forward and change the position. Select the keyframes and press F9 to ease them. And it will move along the bottle where it goes. Select CC Mustard Layer keyframe and make it ease as well. Now check the preview. Now select the shape layer and make an ellipse to make and add some graphics behind the animation. Check the preview. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel.